Welcome, my name is CAT S52 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which is for me located right over here. And before you tap on it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize how it behaves. So number one, we have behaviors at the top, and you have sound and vibrations. You can tap on it and choose what gives sound and vibrations. Then we have notifications, so you can choose to either show notification, not show them, customize it further by going to custom. Then you have exceptions for calls and messages. Now I'll go over one because they both have almost the exact same options. So let's go to calls, and you have allow calls from anyone, contacts, favorite contacts, or no one. Now messages has the same options right here. And as you can see, if you choose steered contacts, which are favorites, if you don't have any, you can add them right here. Now I don't have any contacts here, so I can't even add anything, but you could add them here. And also you have an option below that, allow repeated callers. This is only option for calls. There is no option like this for messages. So this will allow someone to actually be able to reach you no matter what the setting here is. So I could be denying everybody from being able to call me, but if someone calls me twice within a 15-minute period, the second time around I will be aware of, well, them trying to reach me. So this is a good option in terms of emergencies. And like I said, messages has the same options. And then you have schedule. So you could set up a, this is for a normal toggle. If you go through right here to tap on it, so you have either until you turn it off for 1 hour or ask every time. And this option is better to have it set right here, and this way whenever you tap on it, it will ask you if you want to enable it until you turn it off or by setting a specific amount of time. And then we have the turn on automatically for a schedule, which you can add your own, name it whatever you want. And you can see right here you have days of the week. You select the ones that you want the Do Not Disturb mode to work in. Then you go to time, start time. Let's just make it, for instance, like 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. And basically now it's going to be turning on every single day at 8 a.m. and then turning off at 4 p.m. And you also have the option allow, or alarms can override end time. So if you set an alarm clock, it will turn off the Do Not Disturb mode earlier. And from there, once you leave it, it automatically is enabled. And if the time is, well, if it will be inside of a time, which it's not because it's 7:20, but once it reaches 8, it will automatically turn on. And like I said, apart from it working automatically, you can still tap on it to turn it on yourself. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.